That's how it started. But look, I've been in the home cleaning business for a couple years now. And it's easy. If you want to make some money weekly or on your weekends, whatever you want to call it, side hustle, real business, I would recommend you go get your LLC off the rip. But if you just want to go bump around and try to go get some customers first before you get your LLC, either one works. Because once you start seeing how easy this money is, you'll never go back. But look, you can start off, if you're looking for customers, you can go build you a Yelp page or start running Google ads. A lot of y'all are not going to want to start spending money off the rip. So Yelp is free. Facebook is free. Instagram is free. Even, I don't know how many customers you're going to find on Twitter, but you never know. It's free. But guess what? If you're going to get these customers, you can go make flyers. You can go to events in wherever you're from and start passing out flyers. You have to be a household name, technically, in the home cleaning business. That was a good one. But look, chemicals, products don't cost much. You can go to your local Dollar General, Walmart, Lowe's, anywhere like that, Sam's Club. You can buy them in bulk. That's what I would recommend. If you buy in bulk, it's going to last you longer, especially with the year. You want to try to not only be buying chemicals once a month, honestly, once 2 months, every 2 months. Paper towels, little simple things, window cleaning stuff, anything in that nature. Vacuum cleaner might break, so you may need another vacuum. So that's going to be 80, 90 bucks, 100 bucks. Some I would recommend, don't be cheap on these appliances now. Don't think you're going to go get a $25 vacuum and it's going to help you, really. No. Go get you a big industrial one, commercial one. It's going to work better in a house. You don't want to, I'm being honest, you don't want to work that hard in these people's house. You want to let the chemicals work for you. You want to let the machines work for you. Only thing you're doing is just wiping stuff down at that point because the machine is doing all the work. That's how I look at it. Little machines that's hitting the cracks and crevices that you don't feel like going to get the broom to sweep real quick. But anyway, that's how you do it. The customers are going to be easy. But one thing about it, I had to learn, I was getting customers back to back to back to back to back to back. I didn't know, oh, you're running a business. You want to tell these customers, yo, when do you want your cleanings? Every 2 weeks or every month? As soon as you finish cleaning, off the rip, tell them that. Or do you want it every week? Don't even give them the option and think. Just go and tell them. I know you love this cleaning right now, so it's gonna make you do this once a month. Like that's usually my customers, once a month or once every 2 weeks. Usually, if you're gonna get the customer that's gonna pay you once a week, that's probably gonna be a commercial cleaning, and that's very possible. I got a couple golf courses that I do. I love it. They could call me at any random time. Yo, can you come clean tomorrow? I'm gonna get ready if I ain't ready. But they already know. That's why they keep calling me back to do those cleanings. I do run a carpet cleaning business too. And I'm thinking if you wanted to upsell and don't want to do just the home cleaning, you could just say you do window cleaning too. And start, man, I do just window cleaning. Those are the upsells you're going to need later on to start making money. Because what I learned at the beginning phases, a lot of these customers going to ask, what else do you do? What else do you do? That's all I kept hearing. What else do you do? And I'm like, what else do I do? How do I upsell? So I started going to the carpet cleaning business. I went and took the class on carpet cleaning. I'm like, it's a class on carpet cleaning? Okay. Let's get better with these skills. Find new chemicals that, like I said, is going to help you with the cleaning. Go watch some tutorials on how to clean. I've been a janitor before, so I already kind of know what the job and the customers want to see. They don't want to see any dirt on the floor. Like that was the point of calling you, you know. So if you've ever been a janitor before, home cleaning business is gonna be way better. I've heard people say, man, you clean people's toilets? Well, I was a janitor before, so I would clean their toilets. What's the difference? Do you want the money or not? Like honestly put your pride to the side for a second and ask yourself, do you really want the money? A lot of people be saying what they wouldn't do. So if I'm telling you about the home cleaning business, right? Cool. You know how many people say they wouldn't cut grass either? So it's like, yo, if it's so many ways to get to this $1 million, 6 figures. But if you're not choosing one of these, what are you choosing? Because these are service businesses. Only way to make it after that if you're going to start a business online. And technically, we're online with the home cleaning now. So that's why I see it's easy. I get so many Yelp calls once a week. How much they're gonna call you just for estimates. It used to throw me off at first. I'd be like, you just want an estimate. Okay, that's the when you gotta be a salesman now. You gotta know, did you market your business in the right way? Customers gonna say any and everything. That's why before I leave customers' house, usually I make sure they check the house before I leave. Don't say you're gonna have. You never know. Cause say you stole something, anything. I don't touch. I don't go in people's drawers unless they ask for it. If they ask me for a deep cleaning, I don't go in your drawers. I just clean on top of your dressers, on top of everything. You can see your TVs, you know, the essentials. Your dining room, your bedrooms. Yeah, if you see something in a chair and stuff like that, if you see something, clean it. But if you didn't see it or wasn't in your vision, we're not going to people's drawers unless, like I said, they ask for a deep cleaning. A deep cleaning and a regular cleaning is two different things. Sometimes if it's my customer and I want to look out for them, I give them a half a deep clean, half a regular clean. If I like it, if you keep calling me back every 2 weeks, they don't know they be getting a discount, but you just gotta, in my mind, they know I'm going above and beyond for them. That's how I look at it. And any customer knows he's going above and beyond, you're going to keep calling me back. I'm doing literally older people calling me. Well, not calling me just for this, but once I get in their house, could you put that light bulb in? Could you take out my trash? All right. All right. But I would recommend y'all take people trash out when you do the home cleaning. Just that bag of trash that they got at the house. That's what we mainly do in my business. Because at the end, once I leave your house and I done put all that stuff, the dust, everything in your trash, last but not least, it's the trash can left that's dirty. So you might as well just take the trash with you. I would. Free game. Who wouldn't mind you taking, everything's a layup after that. Who wouldn't mind you taking out their trash? So it really came with upsell after that. That's what made the home cleaning way easier. And far as vehicle, I got the box truck, of course. We all know that. But if you wanted to get you a van, I would say get you a cargo van, especially if you're going to go to a 2-hour cleaning. You know, you don't want to have too big of a gas guzzler, but you don't want to have, I don't have all my stuff with me. But you could start with a car. I did for sure. You definitely could start with your car. And the customers, I didn't feel no type of way pulling up in a car at that time. I wanted to look more professional. That's why I'm like, yo, if you want to look more professional, go get you your vans and your trucks, you know. But the car still works. All you got to do is slap that logo I just showed y'all at the beginning of the video. Yo, we do home cleaning, commercial cleaning, upholstery cleaning, power washing. I'm just naming the things on my list literally right there. Lawn mowing. Everything's an upsell after that. That's why I see why y'all calling these side hustles when some of these are businesses. We know somebody that's cutting grass making $100,000. Which one would you rather do? Be in the house or outside cutting grass? That's when I started to ask myself, yep, I'll do this home cleaning and take my 2 hours. And usually that's being real though. It usually takes me 2 hours on a regular small size house, not too big, no stairs or nothing. About 2 hours, bathrooms, everything. And I drink a Red Bull before I go in. I only can speak for me. I can't speak for all of you, you know. But a bigger house, probably going to take you about 4 hours. Anything with stairs, usually going to take you 3 hours to 4 hours. I don't know why, but it's just off the rip. Unless you got somebody with you. Now, like I said, if you want to start booking, instead of having one job a day, yo, you can handle 2 or 3, start taking somebody with you. Once you do it that way, your business is going to go through the roof. If you got somebody else helping you, yo, I'll go take that cleaning. I've done it all. Yo, I'll go take that cleaning. But it's easier if y'all work together. It's easier to knock out 3 jobs a day as a home cleaner if you got some help with you. You can do it by yourself. But any of my solopreneurs know you'll get tired after a while by yourself. You can't do everything by yourself. I had to book the customer. I got to go buy the chemicals for the customer's house. And I got to go do the cleaning. And I got to be good at not sales, but just a good customer service. Good people person, good spirit. That's going to be the big difference in the home cleaning business. It's going to be the way big difference. That's what's going to set you apart from the other people. I got a lot of older customers. I feel like, my opinion, they just want to talk to me when I get there. Yo, let me have a conversation with them for about them hour or 2 hours while he's cleaning. And I'm getting my cleaning. And I got somebody to talk to. I'm noticing that's all. Yeah, you're tall. It be stuff like this. You're tall as my son. I'm like, all right. Oh, they just want to talk. So gotta be a people person. Especially my name is in front of this business, Hurt Enterprise. That's my last name, and it's like, okay, you gotta represent. It's gonna make it easy. But look, I'm gonna hit y'all with these next videos soon. Hey, like this video. Let's get this one shared.